I think we participated in a lot of challenges on the internet, some meaningful, some meaningless, but we've all done them. I've been a person that's partaken in several of them. At this point, I'm going to start a real challenge. I'm challenging a lot of my celebrity friends to follow my lead in donating $25,000 to Hurricane Harvey, to the Red Cross, okay?
Look in the middle, in the middle!
Harvey on your right.
And eyes to the house, straight down the middle, please. And then ladies,
Everybody
just turning left, turning left.
Kim!
Look over to the right, Beyonce over the shoulder!
Country. Regardless of race and politics, we all want to step up to the plate, do everything we can to help out our brothers and sisters.
Jennifer and I are going to do $25,000.
Times 2.
And
hey, what's up, big bro? Kevin Hart. I accept your challenge.